Well, there you have it. I suck at doing intros, but I hope you enjoyed the little intro I did for you. I'm not actually used to this, so yeah. So if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the playlists, welcome. My name is Benjamin. Hope you're having a great day / night depending on where you are. And as you can see, this playlist is called The Road to Japan. And it's very self-explanatory, but anyways, it's basically me going from beginner level Japanese straight to being absolutely fluent in Japanese and quite possibly moving there. Moving to Japan. And this is a pretty cool series because then it's like you're gonna see me go on this journey. It's gonna be like our journey actually. So you're gonna learn, I'm gonna learn, we're also gonna learn and have this amazing learning experience. Yeah. Okay, so today I'm gonna split this video into like 2 parts. I'm actually gonna upload 2 different videos, but it's gonna be like the same video. So video number 1, which is this video, is gonna be 8 different phrases you can like use in different situations. And then part 2 of this video, which is gonna be like another video, is basically gonna help us out with video number 1, so the first video, this video. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into the phrases and I'm gonna explain them. Now, the way I'm gonna go around this is basically I'm gonna say the number and then say what it actually is, and then I'm gonna repeat it so you can get the feel for like the pronunciation, and then you'll see a translation of it too. Did I say that? I don't think I said that. My memory is bad. But yeah, let's go into it. So number 1, if you don't know this, then I'm kind of worried because everyone knows this. Konnichiwa, or konnichiwa, because like there's a double N. Yeah, so konnichiwa obviously means hello, and this is mostly used in the afternoon. So you won't say konnichiwa in the morning or the evening, like hours of the day. You can, but it's kind of like unorthodox to say that. And there are like kind of words for that. There are phrases for good morning, good evening. We will get to that in this video, so don't stress. So once more, konnichiwa. Yeah. Okay, and by the way, I'm gonna make this video as like uncut and raw as possible, actually all of them. So if I do the uhs and ums and stuff like that, just ignore that. Number 2, obviously if you're gonna say hello, you have to know how to say goodbye, and that is sayonara. And if you like see the like romaji right here, because I can't write it in hiragana on my PC, if you there, you see that? I'm gonna keep that in. But if you see the romaji right there, it has like a little like dash over the O, and that's basically to emphasize that you need to emphasize the O sound. So it's sayonara, right? Ooh, that. So one more time, sayonara, and that's goodbye, obviously. So number 3 is a good morning, and good morning in Japanese is ohayo, and ohayo, right? You can say ohayo or you can say ohayo gozaimasu. Personally, I feel like ohayo is casual or like slang. Not really slang, just casual actually. And ohayo gozaimasu is more formal. So if you I don't know, have a business call or like a business conference on Skype or something, you'll be like ohayo gozaimasu or something like that. So yeah. And that was good morning. So good evening, number 4, is konbanwa, right? That's easy to remember because it's konbanwa. It just rolls off the tongue easily, and yeah. So konbanwa, it's good evening. So those are the 3 things. So you have ohayo gozaimasu, and by the way, if you want to remember ohayo or ohayo gozaimasu, just remember hi. You can like hear hi in ohayo gozaimasu. So like the sun says hi to you. Boom! I'm a genius! But yeah, so it's ohayo, konnichiwa, and konbanwa, right? Basically has like the same kind of sound to it. And the 5th one is arigato, right? And you should know this too. This means thank you. And you would normally like go well, if you're not texting someone, because I text a lot of Japanese people, you'd be like arigato, and then like you bow or something like that. I suck at bowing. I'm still gonna try and get the bowing right. I might actually make a video about bowing, because bowing in the Japanese culture is a very important kind of like thing. So we have to get the culture right, fam. Okay, so that was thank you. So obviously now then you're gonna mess up, right? You're gonna mess up, and number 6 is gonna take care of that. Sumimasen, right? Or sumimasen, something like that. My pronunciation isn't like top notch, but I'm getting there. Okay, I'm getting there. But sumimasen basically means excuse me or I'm sorry. So maybe you bumped over something or you broke something. Just be like, oh, sumimasen, and then say something else. I don't know what to say after that because I'm not actually that great at it. I'm still a beginner right now. I'm still a beginner, but it's all good. It's all good. And obviously, if you meet someone for the first time, you need something to say to them. You know what I mean? So yeah. You see that again? I keep on doing that. Okay, so if you meet someone for the first time, you're not just gonna be like, okay, hello, how you doing? You obviously gonna be like, hello, my name is this, and nice to meet you. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. So, nice to meet you in Japanese. This is number 7. Is hajimemashite, right? Hajimemashite, and that's basically what it is. Hajimemashite. So it'd be like, you meet someone for the first time, be like, hajimemashite, watashi wa namae wa Benjamin desu. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't actually. I'm trying to like hold conversations in my head, but I kind of suck with that. So yeah. And the last one is kind of the same as hajimemashite. It's just dozo yoroshiku, right? And that just means pleased to meet you, which is kind of more formal actually. So that's pretty cool. So nice to meet you, kind of casual. Pleased to meet you is more like formal, like in a formal business setting or stuff like that, or for like when you're talking to elders and stuff like that, you should say pleased to meet you more than like nice to meet you. It's small things, you know what I mean? Small things. And I'll watch this video. Who was the YouTuber that did it? It was the Sweet Pea. Her name is Phares. I remember. And yeah, she was like, it was 30 useful phrases that you can use like in like Japanese, and one of them was dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu, and that basically means what was it again? Hope there's gonna be good vibes like between us, like having a good friendship and stuff like that. But that isn't actually part of all this. I just said 8 already, so whatever. But yeah, that's basically that. I'm keeping these videos extremely short because I don't want to like waste your time. So that's all of them. If you need any like advice or just need any confirmation on something, just comment it or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is darkstarthedj. It'll pop up right now. And obviously, if you are an email type of person, then don't stress about it. Just email me at darkstarthedj@gmail.com. So we're gonna go into the next video. It should either be on this end screen or you should just check the description. The description will have part 2 of it. So yeah, that's all from me. Hope you have a great day / night. It's your boy Benjamin, aka DJ Darkstar. Love you. Ouch, that actually hurts. Ow. Ow.